Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You must act quickly. If Excel is unresponsive, first note any unsaved file names so you can recover them later. Once done, open Task Manager with Ctrl+Shift+S or right-click the taskbar. Make sure to land on the Processes tab. You're looking for Excel, EXE, or any Office-related host process. Highlight it to confirm CPU/memory activity. Do not click End yet if Auto Recover is still writing. Instead, move to the Details tab to observe the exact PID so you can force stop precisely. Now force the stop in a controlled way. Switch to Details, right-click Excel, EXE, and choose End Process Tree. This ensures child processes close to. If that fails or you prefer command line, open an admin command prompt and run taskl/f/im excel. EXE, this forcibly terminates all matching instances. Once done, if a specific PID resists, target it with taskl/f/PID number or use PowerShell's stop process ID number force. These commands, after you've killed the process, reopen Excel immediately and check the document recovery pane or autosave folder to restore unsaved work. Excel writes auto-recover files periodically. Once reopened, make sure to save recovered files to a safe location. If Excel still freezes on startup, start in safe mode by holding Control while launching, then disable problematic add-ins. As a final troubleshooting tip, run Office Repair via Settings Apps Modify and try Quick or Online Repair to fix corrupted binaries before a full reinstall.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.